Nithyanandam. Today I'm going to talk about $1 billion lecture. In fact, our life has no value. You cannot term this lecture as a just $1 billion because life itself has no value. As far as I'm concerned, the whole universe, whatever the value it has, your life has that much value. Because the universe and you are just a reflection of the one and each other. So every day, Swamiji, Bhagwan Sri Nithyananda Paramashivam is giving a satsang or a divine lecture every day at 7 a.m. Indian Standard Time through Nithyananda TV, Facebook Live, and many other live TV channels. So the value of this lecture is what I call as $1 billion satsang or a lecture. In fact, could be easily said as $1 trillion, because I've seen over the years, people who lived in a rich and in any country whose economy is billions of dollars or even trillions of dollars, people are still not happy. They're violent. They're restless. They're at wars. If you look at the life they live, they are still not gaining the life that they want, in spite of all the infrastructures, the police, the buildings, roads. Still, with the $1 trillion economies, still their life is not happy. They're depressed. They're killing themselves or killing others. They're in drugs. All sorts of problem. So, and here is a lecture. Is a satsang in a way you can listen and apply the pure, raw, unadulterated wisdom from the master who is awakened, who is enlightened, who has lived such truths and who is expressing such truths in his own life. And his satsangs are based on experiences of his life and his others masters' lives, and the books, the scriptures, and the text which has stand on time for thousands of years. So this distilled knowledge, if you apply in your life, no matter who you are, where you are, it will surely help and bring empowerment, positivity in your life. Just one satsang is enough to make people enlightened, because the amount of, especially the satsangs and the lectures that is happening in last few months to a year, the knowledge are so pure and straight and powerful. It just needs such a pure heart to even understand these truths that Swamiji is saying. Swamiji says that, whenever you approach life, for example, just I'm giving you one example. Whenever you approach life, approach with the understanding that not as an identity that you create, but as a consciousness. Be happy not because you are body or so and so, you've got so much money in your bank balance, you've got so many power or position in your family or in your career, but because your consciousness, because your pure consciousness. When you operate from this cognition, everything in our life will be ultimately leading to that, exploding into that consciousness, will be going into that consciousness, which is the source of all life. People are usually enamored with the outer life, the big universe, sun, sky, and so much scientific exploration we have done, human beings have done. Most of them are good, and I can say so many work has been done, but we fail to understand that there is a big and simultaneously bigger and richer emotional mind and consciousness is flowing inside us all the time. This is even bigger than the universe that is outside, because it is so complex and deeper and subtle and unseen. and yet it is flowing eternally inside us all the time. This ocean of emotions and thoughts and minds. For a human being, we have seen over the last few hundred years, we've tried to find out more about it. Psychologists, psychiatrists, doctors, researchers, scientists, they're working tirelessly on it, but still we haven't find much on it. Still we are grappling with depressions and lots of mental disease. The whole civilization, we were in wars. There are wars in field of in the area of finance, religion. Still we are grappling with this human mind and consciousness. And here comes a master, a man. What I mean by master is a person who has understand human life, who has experimented his life, who has invested his life, whole life, to understand the beauty, splendor, and the ultimate truth in life, and who reap and radiate that principles, that truth, and whose truth is based on the truths and experiences of other masters, or the text and books on which we can have a reference. So these people are what I call master, awakened one, enlightened one. Swamiji Paramahansa Nithyananda, or who is called Bhagavan Sri Nithyananda Paramashivam, is one such being who is expressing these truths, the hardcore, raw, distilled knowledge of all our traditions, all human emotions, all knowledge, and he is expounding on them in such a nice way, in such a simple way to human beings, so they can grasp and utilize this one truth every day to make their life beautiful and express enlightenment and live life powerfully, happily, and blissfully in this planet. Although this lecture can easily be termed as a $1 trillion lecture, but I just say it's $1 billion just as a reference point, because people just catch the emotion, imagination when I say $1 billion. So I recommend all my viewers to watch his daily satsangs at 7 a.m. where he says the most subtle truth the universe has held in his bosom. The universe is a secret, multi-layered secret, where the adventure is towards the beauty and the truth and bliss. That is what is said by Swamiji every day. When you crack open a walnut, you see that inside there is a nut. Similarly, when you see the outside universe, there's so much wraps of covers and covers of layers and layers. When you open them one by one, then we go to the very bottom of what life has to offer. And here it's just, if we do it on our own, it might take thousands of births, and billions of people might take millions of years to find out. But he is a man, he is a personified, a divinity personified, who is explaining these ancient truths, these truths of life, this pure wisdom of life, the cognitions which can make our life so beautiful and happy. Because by very default, we operate from a cognition that is derived from family, people, life, and often they are very adulterated, they're misguided, they're not true, they're narrow, they've got vested, so many, they've been polluted by so many ways. So our life has become unhappy, although we wanted to do good. But when we're stuck with those cognitions about ourselves, our life, about the universe, about people, we get stuck. So we don't get the results that we want. So it is important for us to understand this wisdom, for us to apply, because no matter what you do, we cannot escape our consciousness, we cannot escape our mind, the life that is happening. If that life is not grounded on truth, wisdom, then it will lead to unhappiness. So I request all of my viewers to please refer to his daily satsangs at 7 a.m. Indian Standard Time and enrich your life and others' life. Thank you, Nithyanandam.